What is up guys? It's your boy Jeremy, back again with another video. At ngayon, gagawa tayo ng isang reaction video tungkol sa isang kakaibang pag-ibigan. Tara, samahan niyo ako. Let's go! Welcome! So for our video today, papanoorin natin galing sa YouTube. YouTube channel name is Truly na pinamagatang My Girlfriend Acts Like a Dog. And I like it. I don't know what to say. So, let's get into the video.
This is Lorenzo. He fell in love with Jenna.
I think my favorite thing about Jenna is her ability just to embrace who she is as a puppy.
Huh? As a puppy?
Puppy play is
Oh! Ang dami ah. Ang dami niyang ano ba so? Dog chain? So, iba-iba. Syempre, Monday, Tuesday, iba-ibang chain. Iba-ibang araw.
extremely important in my relationship. That's where a lot of like my love language.
Oh. So, yan yung kwarto niya. Diyan siya natutulog. At nakadapa, no? My goodness gracious. So, dedicated talaga siya bilang isang aso.
Is lie.
Despite living a puppy dream, this canine couple have had to deal with some harsh judgment.
I definitely do get a lot of hate. This person is just absolutely mental, like out of their mind.
When we're in public,
Oh! So, okay lang sa kanya halikan siya ng mga aso, no? Oh, wait. Di ba sa simula ng video, hinalikan niya yung boyfriend niya. So, meaning, hinalikan niya yung aso, hinalikan niya yung boyfriend niya.
it can be a little bit embarrassing at times.
Love, don't judge, okay?
I met Jenna at a photo shoot last year.
Talagang may dog chain siya, no? Para at least, mawala man siya, mahanap siya ng owner niya. My goodness gracious, Lorenzo!
We sort of clicked almost right away on set.
After they met, there was one thing that Jenna had to make sure Lorenzo was on board with.
So I
Ano pinapanood nila? Bakit naka-blurred? At parang may itsura ng aso? My goodness
started
gracious.
first pretending that I was a puppy when I was really, really little. I would ask my mom to play with the dogs with me, so I would just
So iniisip ko tong video na to parang it's a prank. Biro lang, pero base sa story niya, no, nung bata pa siya, is gusto niya na maging puppy. No? Is this video real or not? I don't know.
be one of the dogs. And my parents always asked when I was gonna grow out of it, but I never did.
Jenna lives a puppy lifestyle and had to
Oh,
make sure
yeah. Paano yung
Lorenzo would be
pagkain?
the right owner for all her puppy needs.
when I first told him about this, he didn't shy away at all.
Okay.
He just was like, okay, cool. Like, so what do I need to do?
Service dog? Sana naman kumahal mo, at least hindi man lang service dog yung pangalan, no? Puppy love. Tataks!
So puppy play really was something that I've learned a lot of from Jenna. Some of her needs and feelings are very similar, you know, to having a puppy, which I've never personally have had, but you know, it's something that I feel that I personally love embracing.
Sabi niya, okay lang sa kanya kasi hindi pa siya nagkaroon ng aso. So, dapat bang, dahil hindi ka nagkaroon ng aso is okay lang maging aso yung girlfriend mo.
Puppy play is extremely important in my relationship. That's where a lot of like my love languages lie. It's very important to get a lot of praise, a lot of, you know, good job, you're doing great, you know, good girls.
So, tumatahol din pala siya, no? Malamang, puppy siya.
What I like about being a dog is the bond between like that one special person, like your owner, and yeah, like the day-to-day like mannerisms of a dog that they have, you know. I like to be very, very carefree. I like not having, you know, a choice because it makes life so much easier.
Pero pansin ko throughout the video, no, isa lang yung attire niya, hindi siya nagpapalit. So, is this real? Maybe fake. I don't know. For the money? For the views? I don't know.
This is probably where I feel the safest at home. It's kind of like my den. It's like my area that I can retire to and know that I'm safe and, you know, no one can get
May dog toys din pala siya.
The first time I saw the cage, I was sort of shocked. I mean, it was a lot bigger than I thought. But once it was set up, and I saw just how happy she was and comfortable, she really looks good and happy, and I think it makes her a great addition to the room.
Syempre, kung peke to or kung scripted tong video na to, no, grabe yung pagkagawa. Gumawa sila ng cage, isang katutak yung dog chains, yung chain niya mismo, tapos willing siya makipag-kiss sa aso. I don't know.
Showing their puppy love on social media has led to people questioning their roles in the relationship.
Some of the most negative comments, it's probably just people saying that I'm crazy. This person is just absolutely mental. Like,
Yung mga comments, I'm scared, this ain't right, are you okay? Like, honestly, I'm so sorry for your parents. I hate this couple almost as much as I hate the Trumps. This should be considered illegal. Illegal in what? Illegal bakit?
out of their mind. A lot of people have said, like, you know, are you being held against your will? Is he forcing you to do this? Like, blink twice if you're okay. I know.
Grabe, no? Sabihin na nating scripted lang to lahat, pero sobrang grabe ng dedication na ginawa, no? Instagram post, no? Everyday na mag-a-act as a dog. And kung totoo nga na may ganitong klaseng mindset itong si Jenna, is this a psychological disorder or a fetish for the money? I don't know.
Myself that I'm not hurting anybody. I'm not in trouble. I'm
Wow! Wow! All pets on leash. Good job. Good job. Yung pet mo naka-leash. Very good.
just kind of living my life out on the internet, and with that comes a lot of judgment.
I try to comfort her and let her know that there may be a minority of people that feel a certain negative way about you, but you still have me that do care about you and love what you do.
We're gonna go to the park, and I'm thinking we'll get some usual shots of you walking on a leash, take some videos, some photos. But what if we throw a frisbee and you catch it
In my mouth?
in your mouth? That's right. And if you catch it in your mouth, you know what you get, right?
Do I
treat.
get a treat?
Yes,
I get a treat?
Yes. Only if you catch it. Are you ready to go?
Yes.
All right.
I'm
Let's
ready.
go. Sit. Sit.
Ha? Sit daw. Eh, nakaupo na siya, di ba?
Good girl. You ready to go to the park?
Yes, I'm ready. I'm ready.
Oh! Bakit biglang tumayo? Bakit biglang tumayo? Parang yung mga aso, kilala na siya, no?
So going
Parang
to the
alam ng
dog
mga
park
aso
is
na
obviously one of
yung
my
tropa
favorite
nilang aso
things.
dumating na.
When we're in public, I can see how it can be a little bit embarrassing at times. There's weirder things out there, like a girl pretending to be a dog isn't really the weirdest thing. I think just for a lot of people, it's new to see it in the way that she does it. I don't find it weird.
I would
Hindi ako naniniwalang kaya niyang saluhin yun. Hindi ako naniniwalang kaya niyang saluhin yung frisbee.
say Lorenzo's the best owner that I could ever ask for.
Parang medyo nadula siya. Lorenzo is the best owner that I could ever ask for. So may naging ibang owner na siya?
cares for me. I feel like the luckiest pup at the shelter.
I want to give her that attention when she needs it, make her feel safe, and just overall see her happy and playful.
Well, love don't judge. Comment down below kung sa tingin nyo true love nga talaga yung nangyari na yon, no? Pero all in all, dahil ba hindi tayo sanay na ganun yung tao or nag-a-act siya bilang hayop is hindi na yung tama? Sino tayo para sabihin na hindi yung tama? Ano ba ang tama at ano ba yung mali? 'Di ba? Hindi natin alam kung ganun talaga yung tratuhan nila sa isa't isa, bakit hindi? Kung hindi naman sila nakakasakit ng tao, bakit hindi? Yun nga lang. Paano pag nakita ng mga bata, no?
Nay, tignan nyo. Tignan nyo yung babae, parang aso. Gayahin ko kaya.
O, paano pag ganun? Maging impluensya ka, no, na gayahin sila yung ginagawa mo. At ano nga pala yung side ng parents? Okay lang ba sa parents? Tsaka kanina naman, no, pwede naman siya magsapatos. Kailangan talaga nakapaa din. Kung nagustuhan nyo tong video na to, click that like button, share nyo sa mga kaibigan nyo, and don't forget to click the subscribe button. Let me know what you guys think. Comment down below. Nasa baba din yung link nung video na pinanood natin. So that's all guys. See you guys next time. Peace!